In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a template in Notion. By the end, you'll know exactly how to make a quick copy of a regular page from your sidebar, and how to duplicate a template inside a database so you can reuse your favorite layouts without starting from scratch. Let's start with duplicating a regular page. In your Notion workspace, look at the sidebar and find the page you want to copy. Move your cursor over the page name to reveal the options. When you see the three-dot icon appear, click it to open the page menu. From there, choose Duplicate. Notion will instantly create a copy of that page in the same area of your sidebar. Everything inside that page, text, images, subpages, and blocks, comes along with it, so you get a complete clone of your setup. Notion usually adds copy to the title so it's easy to spot and the original remains untouched. This is perfect when you want to reuse a structure you already trust, like a project outline or meeting notes, and keep your original as a clean reference. Now, let's talk about database templates, which are a little different. If you are working inside a database like a table, board, or list, you can save time with pre-built templates that fill entries with consistent properties and content. To duplicate one of these, open the database where your template lives. Look for the blue New button right next to it. Here is a small arrow. Click that arrow to reveal the Templates menu. Find the template you want to copy. Notion will create a copy of that template right in the same list, keeping all its properties, default content, and layout intact. It's a great way to make variations of a template while preserving the original for future use. A quick recap. For regular pages, hover over the page name in the sidebar. Click the three-dot icon and choose Duplicate. For database templates, open the database, click the arrow next to the blue New button, and then click the three dots beside the template you want to copy to duplicate it. With both methods, your copies are independent, so you can adjust them freely without affecting the originals. That's all you need to confidently duplicate pages and templates in Notion. Thanks for watching.